Hi, here's an Turtle fan. And Turtle Bell. Please keep walking through. Let's try medium and high. This is not really made for outdoor use. But the blades are repainted in waterproof paint, which is what some modern fan company fans have, which are damp rated, so maybe it should still be fine. And this is a wall control. The switch that controls the light also controls other light. However, the dimmer only controls other light. That fan light just stays on or off. Those come out and this will pull out noise. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please have a comment, rate, subscribe.